up, guys? My name is Jacob Panisi. I'm the head strength conditioning coach at Millsaps Training Facility. I'm joined today with Jordon Smith, riding for Monster Energy Pro Circuit Kawasaki. We're going to show you guys how we go about breaking into new Supercross track. Let's do it.
What's up, guys? All right, we're here on the track. We're going to start with this rhythm section here. It looks like it might be the most technical. So we have a little double coming in here to start. It's kind of coming in at an angle, and then we kind of head into this rhythm. So that double there going around the corner is going to really make it tough for us to triple into this rhythm. So I think most likely it's just going to be a double into this rhythm. We're going to step onto that first table, onto the next one, and then off most likely. That's going to be probably the most tiring part of the track there, going on and off those tables. You got to use a lot of legs and a lot of energy to get from one table to the next. So this tabletop here is going to be really hard to get onto here and then from here to the next one, because as you can see here, there's no lip. So you got to use your legs to get the bike to carry from this one to the next one. And you have to have a lot of momentum too, because if you don't have momentum, if you just try and bounce it, you're going to bounce right into the face of that one. So we want to get onto this one good so that we can get off of it, and then probably pick up a triple at the end of this rhythm. We'll see, but usually you probably kind of double on, off, and then try and get that triple and then single into the turn. We have a 90-degree corner here with a triple coming out. A lot of times in the 90-degree turns, it's a lot slower to go to the outside to the berm. So most of the time what we do is we come here to the inside, shorten that up. But with this triple being here, you obviously won't be able to triple from the inside. So if we can pick up the triple from the outside, we might be better off doing that. We'll just have to see how it shakes down. With this turn being flat and this space is pretty mellow here, it'll most likely just be a double into this rhythm. The triple doesn't look too big, so maybe if we get a nice line cut in later in the day or something, we may be able to triple into here. We'll just have this. One thing about Supercross is you just have to kind of look at all the different options for lines and then see which one kind of pans out, and you have to keep an open mind going into the first, second, third practices. So these first four transitions right here are pretty mellow. The faces are kind of mellow and they're not too deep, so these probably aren't going to give you a lot of pop off the face. So it might just be that we kind of cut that corner as tight as we can, double, and then pick up the first triple in the rhythm here about halfway through. We'll go off of this 3-footer over the 5-footer there. Yeah, we'll see what it looks like down the end. Probably triple, single, another single into the turn there. So this is where we'll be landing here. We'll go from that 3-footer there, triple to the backside of this. And then, yeah, to me, it looks like we'll probably just go triple and then kind of jump that last single into the berm there, and just trying to get in and out there as quick as possible for this next upcoming rhythm here. Nice ball here at the end of this rhythm. This next rhythm is the most important thing. What you're thinking of going through it is that you have to land on the downside of that 5th one there to be able to get the triple. You're either going to have to go double triple or triple double. You're going to have to do that every lap. With this big bowl here, a nice face coming out of the turn, looks like most likely it's going to be triple double. Kind of triple, scrub the double, shift up, coming over the triple to get into the long set of whoops and really let the bike eat through there. We got a big Supercross triple here, and after that rhythm, like I said, you want to finish on the downside of that last one and get over this big triple here. They're really not too hard most of the time, so most important thing is just in the air, we got to be kind of shifting our focus from this triple to the whoops right there. Usually in a long set of whoops that are pretty big like these, I will hit them in 4th gear most of the time, and usually I hit the turn in 4th gear as well, so it's a lot of clutch, a lot of just trying to keep the RPMs up and driving and carry as much speed into them as you can. Pretty mellow, but they'll get pretty gnarly because of how soft they are. You can see it break down just from kicking it. So you know that a 250 and a 450 being out here is going to really break these things down, and they'll get tougher than they actually look just because of that. Might end up start jumping them by the end of the day if there's enough people out here riding you, for sure, where they just get kind of like a rut down the middle of them. But we'll just have to see. After that whole time, you've been kind of holding your breath and trying to, get some of those big rhythms, get through the whoops, all that stuff. And now this is kind of time to just start breathing and trying to, really It's hard in Supercross to do sections like this sometimes because you have to keep the aggression up. Even though it's the easier section, you want to just kind of catch your breath after all the hard lap you just did. But you got to keep the aggression up and keep pushing into those turns, or else you can actually end up losing a lot of time.
It's a small gap right there.
Yeah. I mean, really, the bigger the finish line, the better. I hate it whenever it's like really small and stuff. It's not as fun, especially whenever you have to do a lot of lap seconds. So we got this little triple into the right-hander into the flat sweeper, and then after you get over that, get on the gas around that sweeper and just try and be aggressive all the way through that kind of flat, I guess you'd call it flat section, flat sweeper turn. 2 bowl corners with nothing in between, so just have to be aggressive through that section. That's pretty much a lap.
All right, let's go ride it.
Let's go.